So today I have a really exciting video for you guys. Usually we are looking at a stock with great potential, but today we're doing something different. I'm going to give you an insight into one of the best ways to find the very best stocks while they are still cheap. Every time a stock takes off, I always get asked, how did you find this stock? So in today's video, I'm going to look at one of the very best tools that I use, and that is Seeking Alpha. First of all, I want to give a huge shout out to Seeking Alpha for sponsoring this video. This platform has made such a difference to me over the past few years. I've learned so much from it, and I'm excited to show you some of the very best features that they have to offer. Seeking Alpha Premium, which is one of the paid tiers, which you can actually try out now for free. There is a link to this in the description or in the pinned comment. And with that link, you'll be able to try out Seeking Alpha Premium free for 7 days. And if you end up loving it, then I have a special discount for you later in this video. So there's never been a better time to check this out. When it comes to researching stocks, for me it all starts here on the Seeking Alpha homepage. And the very first thing that hits me is the trending analysis and news. But as we scroll down, we have the latest hot themes, which is great for picking out trending stocks just as they're beginning to get going. We then have a list of top rated stocks in each sector of the market, and Seeking Alpha does apply their own rating system to these, ranging from 1 to 5, called the quant ratings. Now this is an incredible tool, and I will give a couple of examples of how I have used these tools over the past 2 years to highlight undervalued and unknown stocks that I have been able to snap up on the cheap. And as we are in the middle of the earnings season right now again, it's worth noting that there is a dedicated earnings calendar too. Now, over the past year, I have looked at Seeking Alpha articles in a lot of my videos. If you follow the channel, then there's no doubt that you will have seen me reference some of these or review some analysis. Stocks like Palantir or Nvidia, which I have talked about a lot. But then we have other stocks which I would never have found only for Seeking Alpha, such as Celestica, which is up over 800% in the past 2 years, or OpFi, which is up 250% in the past 12 months. But the question is Seeking Alpha still a reliable platform to do your stock research? Is it worth the money that it costs to sign up for a year? Well, why not find out for yourself? Why not research on Seeking Alpha right now? See the tools that they have, use many of the features, and make your own decisions, because right now Seeking Alpha are running their spring sale. This sale started a few days ago and is running until May 11th. For this sale, you'll get Seeking Alpha Premium free for 7 days, and you'll get $30 off your yearly subscription if you sign up using my link in the description under this video. Then you will also get access to the next Alpha Pick for free. Alpha Picks is a premium stock recommendation service launched by Seeking Alpha in 2022, giving market-beating returns with minimal effort. It delivers 2 strong buy stock picks per month, selected using Seeking Alpha's quant rating system, which ranks stocks based on 5 factors: their value, growth, profitability, EPS revisions, and momentum. So there has never been a better time to go and sign up for the free trial. Worst case scenario is that you don't like Seeking Alpha. Well, in that case, just don't sign up after the free trial. But Seeking Alpha does have some very strong tools to help you. First of all, they have compiled Wall Street analyst ratings into an overall score ranked 1 to 5. Then there is the Seeking Alpha analyst ratings, and they have been done in the same way, ranking these from strong buy all the way down to strong sell. Then there is the virtual analyst report using the AI tool, which is great, and this is a new feature added last year. But my favorite is the Seeking Alpha quant rating tool. Now, for anyone who is not familiar with the quant tool, this is a very powerful tool. So Seeking Alpha offers 3 ratings on every stock. You have the quant rating, the Seeking Alpha analyst rating, and the Wall Street ratings, and these are scored from 1 to 5. With a rating system that goes from D to A+. And one of the stocks on this list is a perfect example, and that is GRRR stock, Gorilla Technologies. I spoke about this stock back in November when the stock was only $5, and it turned out to be one of my best gains of 2024. But it was actually Seeking Alpha that alerted me to this stock with its quant rating tool in particular. You see, back in November when I talked about this stock was rated as the number 1 on the quant rating system. Another perfect example of this tool and the Seeking Alpha analyst tool is when I discovered RGTI, Rigetti Computing Inc. Now, at the time I made this video, quantum computing was just about to take off, and I was looking for an undervalued quantum stock that actually had fundamentals and the potential for long-term growth. Rigetti was rated as a strong buy, and it was this article that sold me on Rigetti. But I didn't just read this and nothing else. It's so important that you get multiple sources of information, but the fact that Seeking Alpha has so many different perspectives from different analysts allows you to get a lot of research done and take in a lot of different opinions all in the one place. Now, Rigetti was insane for me. It was the second best stock I had in 2024. Look at this video. The price at publication of this article, as well as being rated as a strong buy, the price was $2.63. Rigetti Computing ran all the way up to over $21 within 2 months. But this just goes to show just how good these premium analysis tools are. They are literally worth their weight in gold. And the cost might actually surprise you because it's not that much. Professional tools like the Bloomberg terminal cost about $25,000 per year. But powerful tools like Seeking Alpha can be obtained for a similar cost to a Netflix subscription. The basic plan is free, but it's limited. In truth, it's too limited to fully understand just how amazingly useful the premium tools are. The Alpha Premium plan is priced at $299 per year, but this gives you access to more in-depth features and tools. For those looking for even more, the Unlimited Pro plan is available at $2,400 per year. But let's be honest, unless you're a very serious professional investor spending hours every single day checking this stuff out, then the Pro plan is probably a bit too much. The Premium plan at $299, however, is fantastic value for money. This is the plan I have myself as a Seeking Alpha affiliate, and this is perfect. For $299, this is fantastic value for money. Put this into perspective, most people have no problem at all paying between $17.99 and $24.99 per month for Netflix, whereas Seeking Alpha gives you the tools to achieve financial freedom, and I have a limited time $30 discount link in the description with a 7-day free trial. So check that out in the description below and make use of this offer. The Seeking Alpha track record and features is definitely worth it, and this has been backtested. Since 2010, stocks that had their strong buy rating have outperformed the market by nearly 5x. Investing just $10,000 in Seeking Alpha's strong buy stocks would give you $277,000 return by mid-October 2024 compared to the S&P 500's return of $57,000. That is almost 5 times the returns of the S&P 500. So make sure to use their current special offer, and don't forget, if you're interested, check out the link in the description for $30 off. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.